Good morning, everybody. I have got 10 different crazy cheap scenarios for you today. These will all have to do with the 5 off 15 all Snuggle Purex Persil digital coupon. Make sure you've got that clipped, and let's get into these deals. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It's free, it's super easy, and it helps my channel out tremendously. So if you enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe, click that bell for all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. Alright, y'all, here are 10 scenarios for your consideration. For each of these, you're going to need to have this $5 off any 15 on all Snuggle Purex Persil Soft Scrub and Dial. So, you gotta have that clipped, and let's look at scenario 1. Alright guys, for this one, clip the $2 off Purex or Persil. Pick up the large Persil 63 ounce for $9.95. Next, we are going to clip our Snuggle Cashback for $1.75. Then we're going to pick up the $8 liquid fabric softener. Here's our breakdown. Buy one Persil 63 ounce detergent, $9.95. One Snuggle fabric softener at $8, subtotal $17.95. We're going to take away our $7 in digital coupons. We will pay $10.95, but we will earn $1.75 cash back from the Snuggle, making our new out-of-pocket $9.20 for 2 items, or $4.60 per item. Scenario 2. For this one, we are going to need the $1 cashback on Purex packs. We're going to pick up 2 of the $4 packs. That'll be $8. Next, we're going to clip the $1 cashback on liquid Purex detergent. Pick up 2 of the $4 bottles. That'll be at $8. Now, here's a breakdown. Our subtotal will be $16 for these 4 items. We will take away our $5 Henkel coupon. We're going to pay $11 but earn $4 cash back. Our new out-of-pocket is just $7. That gives us 4 items at just $1.75 each. Scenario 3. For this one, we are going to clip the $3.50 cashback on all free and clear 88 ounces. Pick up one of these at $12. Next, you're going to want to clip the $1.25 cashback on the Soft Scrub Duo Cubes and buy one of these at $3.75. Our subtotal is going to be $15.75. $5 for the Henkel coupon comes off. We will pay $10.75 and earn $4.75 cash back, leaving our out-of-pocket at $6, which is 2 items at $3 each. Scenario 4. For this one, we are going to need our $3 cash back on Persil clipped. Pick up a 63 ounce bottle of Persil for $9.95. Next, clip your $1 cashback offer on Purex 35 count packs. These are $5.75, so pick up one of these. Now, our subtotal is going to be $15.70. We're going to get $5 off for that Henkel coupon. We will pay $10.70 but earn $4 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $6.70. So that's 2 items for $3.45 each. Scenario 5. For this guy, we are going to need our cashback offer on the 65 ounce or 75 ounce Purex. Pick up 2 of those. It'll be $12. Do not clip the 2 for $10. Next, clip the $1 cashback on Dial Body Wash and pick up a $4 bottle. Now, our subtotal is going to be $16. We will get $5 off for Henkel, and we are going to pay $11, but we're going to earn $3 cash back. So our new out-of-pocket is $8, and that works out to be 3 items at $2.66 each. Scenario 6. For this one, you will need the $3 cash back on the 128 ounce Purex. Pick up one of these for $10. Next, we're going to pick up the all free and clear, so make sure you have this $1 cashback clipped. Grab one of these for $5. Our subtotal is $15. After the $5 digital, we are going to pay $10, but we're going to earn $4 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $6. So we'll be getting 2 items at $3 each. Scenario 7 is super easy. clip this $4 cash back on all free and clear. This is the 141 ounce. Buy one of those at $17. So our subtotal is $17. $5 comes off for the Henkel coupon. We are going to pay $12 but earn $4 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $8 for the original $17 all free and clear 141 ounce. Scenario 8. This is a personal care scenario. Grab the 125 cashback offer on Dial Body Wash. Toss one of these into your cart at $7.95. Next, you're going to clip the cashback for men's 32-ounce Dial Body Wash at $8. We will earn $1.25 back on that. Our subtotal will be $15.95. $5 is going to come off for the Henkel coupon. We will pay $10.95, but earn $2.50 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $8.45. And that gives us 2 large body wash at $4.22 each, which is almost half off of each bottle. Scenario 9. For this one, we're going to need the $1 cashback clipped on soft scrub 24 ounce. So pick up 2 of those. It's going to be $8. Next, you're going to need the $1 cashback on the Snuggle Super Fresh dryer sheets. Pick up one of these at $4.50. Next, we are going to need the 50 cents cashback on Dial hand soap clipped. Pick up one of the antibacterial hand soaps at $2.75. Our subtotal is $15.25. $5 for Henkel comes off. We are going to pay $10.25, but we're going to earn $3.50 cash back. So that makes our new out-of-pocket just $6.75. That works out to be 4 items at $1.68 each. Alrighty, y'all, here is scenario 10, and it is the very best scenario. It's a $5 scenario, so let's go. Clip your $2 cash back on Persil laundry detergent. Pick up a $5.50 bottle. Make sure you scan because not all of these attach to the 5 off 15 Henkel. Next, we are going to need the $2 cash back on Snuggle Super Fresh crystals. Pick up the green bottle at $3.75. Next, we are going to need the $1.50 digital coupon on all free and clear. Pick up the $5 bottle and toss it in your cart. Next, you need the 75 cents cash back on Snuggle Blue Sparkle dryer sheets. Pick up the $2 box and put that in your cart. Our subtotal is going to be $16.25. We will get $5 off for Henkel, $1.50 off for all, and our subtotal is going to be $9.75. We're going to pay $9.75, but we're earning $4.75 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket just $5. That is 4 items at just $1.25 each. Now, you can't shake a stick at that. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. I sure hope that you found this helpful. I know I am going out and doing the $5 deal today. So, I wish you the very best of luck in finding these items, and I hope you can get all the carts of your dreams. Alright, y'all, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.